Class 9 History, Chapter 1 The French Revolution, Part 4. Main points. The French Revolution was a revolution in France from 1789 to 1799. The results of the French Revolution was the end of the monarchy. King Louis XVI was executed in 1793. The revolution ended when Napoleon Bonaparte took power in November 1799. In 1804, he became emperor. Till now, we had seen in France that new assembly were formed and this King Louis XVI were forced to sign this constitution. So finally, after signing this constitution, he was not so happy. He just wanted the rest of the control in his hand, and that's the reason he was making contact with the neighboring countries for getting the same power. He did contact with the Persian country and planning that how all the power come under Louis XVI. Another country king were also afraid after seeing the changes in France. They were afraid that these type of changes can occur in their country also. And that's the reason they were ready to support Louis XVI. But before that, they should plan something. The National Assembly already they were planned and they attacked also in the year of 1972 in April month. They attacked with Persia and Austria. I'm talking about that Austria country from where Mary, wife of Louis XVI, she came from that country, Austria. So finally, now France were attacking in Persia and Austria. In France, more than thousands of people were coming to join army group. While coming, they were singing the patriotic song, that France song, which was a Marseillaise, famous, written by Roger de la Salle. This song was sang by the people, those who were coming from Marseilles to Paris for joining the army group. They sang this song first time, and that's why this song were known as Marseillaise. So now today, this is the national song of France. Again, just because of war, the economic was moving down, and all the people went for the war. The females, they were take caring of their home. On that time, only rich people were the member of National Assembly. And just after this, all the middle class people also start taking part on this politics. So many different political clubs were formed. On that time, the famous club was Jacobin Club. On that time, this Jacobin Club belonged to the middle class of the society. More workers like shopkeepers, servants, and their leaders were under it. Mainly the head of the leader of this, that was Maximilien Robespierre. In April 1792, in the month of this summer season, that day's food rate was increased so high. So the people were against of Louis XVI. People thought that everything is happening just because of this Louis XVI, because he was planning to make friendship with the Persian countries, and that's why this all war was occurring. So everybody was against of Louis XVI. Now people just want to remove Louis XVI. Finally, 10th August 1792, people attack on Palace of Tuileries and captured king, and they killed rest of the soldiers. Louis XVI was under them and he kept inside the jail. Now, no any head was left in France. So again election held in France, but the above age of 21 men got the right to vote, no matter they are rich or poor. That new assembly known as convention. Before that, that assembly was National Assembly, and now France changed into monarchy to republic. So from National Assembly to convention. So on 21st September 1792, this convention new government was formed there. Now France became a republic government. Government head were elected by the people. 21st January, Louis XVI was killed, and then afterwards, after some time, his wife was also killed. On that time, the government head was Maximilian, and the government which was there in France, that was Jacobins. And that this government ruled in the year 1793 to 1794. That 1 year was enough, and that 1 year were known as the Reign of Terror. It means the Atanka Samay. So finally, this Jacobin, he did so many things in his kingdom, which we are going to see now. So under it, When Maximilian got this power, finally he started giving punishment those who were he was thinking that they are enemy of mine, or they are not doing good, or they did something wrong. In that way, he was giving punishment to them. So finally, he started punishing everyone. It might be any estate or clergy or any third estate people. So he started punishing everyone. In court, if it is clear that somebody had done something wrong, in that case that person used to be guillotine. That guillotine, it means that people used to be beheaded. So there was a pole which made up of like square like circle, and that people used to keep their head, and the other used to just uh, switch it on, and that condition that blade used to come down and the head used to be away from the body part. So it's like a type of like फांसी लगाना इस तरह का है. So is that guillotine was started in France. So those who were doing any against of this thing, or so these type of punishment were giving on that time. So when this Jacobin, he did so many changes, like whatever the people executed who were a threat to him, they all were executed. So he tried to settle the limit for the wages, so every should get limited prices for their work. So he limited the amount of the bread or the meals, the important meals. So all the amounts were fixed on that time. Farmers sold their harvest at a fixed rate, and he did changes as like costly bread meal was closed, and equality bread should be there for it might be any rich person or any poor people, they all will, everybody will get the same equality bread was there at the same market price you have to buy, and the same equal bread was there for everyone. Instead of telling sir and madam, it's better to speak citizen. All the church was closed and offices was open. All were asking for the reason for the change. He had not told anything. So whatever the thing he just wanted to do, he was doing. If anybody is asking for the reason that why this is happening, he was not replying for any changes. So finally, in July 1794, a court found him guilty, and this Jacobin, he was guillotine. It means he was killed. So just after the falling of this Jacobin government, upper middle class people get the power. Now again, a new constitution was made. So inside this constitution, only a person with a house, they can vote. So those people who having their own house, they can only vote. The another point was this, that they given the vote and made two legislative councils. So after giving the vote, they made two different legislative councils. So this council will make directory where five members will be there. It means any one person is not getting power as like Maximilian or King. So here five different members will be there. Those who are going to take decisions. So or people of France where two legislative councils will be there, under them directory where five members are sitting and they are doing discussion. But now directory started fighting with council, and they do dismiss and stop their work. So finally, this directory and the work system was not working properly. They all were fighting among them. So whatever the decisions were coming, it was dismissed. It was not working in a proper way. So now any strong political structure was needed in France, and that's why a military dictator got the power, and his name was Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon, he fought for his king, for his land, for his country for a long time, and now finally he got the power. So in the next video, we will see what happened next. Thank you.